If a galaxy is more than 14 billion light-years away from Earth, then the light it emits will never reach Earth. Because the universe is expanding, and this distance is where the expansion speed of space equals the speed of light. Once the galaxy is carried by the expanding space, crosses this boundary, its speed away from us will exceed the speed of light. According to scientists' calculations, in the part of the universe we can currently observe, which contains about 2 trillion galaxies, in the observable universe, at least 98% of the galaxies are now have already crossed this irreversible boundary. We can still see them, not because they are still waiting there, but because they emitted light before they crossed the boundary. After a long journey, it has just reached our telescopes today. What we see is not their current appearance, but their distant pasts. The 2 trillion galaxies we gaze at are almost all ghosts of the universe, according to scientists' calculations. About 9 billion years later, a doomsday scene will arrive, at which time, except for a few galaxies within our own local group in the night sky, there will be no other extragalactic galaxies visible. The trillions of galaxy families we can see today with the Hubble and James Webb telescopes will no longer be visible. Speaker, they will completely disappear from our view. Speaker, if there were humans in that era, their night sky, speaker, would be an unimaginable eternal silence. Speaker, no matter where astronomers pointed their telescopes. Speaker, they would only see stars within their own galaxy. Speaker, and the uniform space beyond the stars. Speaker, and endless, pure darkness. Speaker, before 1929. Speaker, most scientists, including Einstein, Speaker believed the universe was static and unchanging. Speaker, but Hubble discovered through observing the spectra of distant galaxies. Speaker, they all showed a red shift. Speaker, even more surprisingly, the farther the galaxy is. Speaker, the faster it moves away from us. This told us, Speaker, the universe is not static. Speaker, it is continuously expanding. Speaker, like a balloon being inflated. Speaker, every point on the balloon's surface is moving away from each other. Speaker, by the 20th century, scientists' discoveries. Speaker made this fact even more terrifying. Speaker, by observing distant supernova. Speaker, they found. Speaker, the expansion of the universe did not slow down due to gravity. Speaker, it was actually accelerating. Speaker, this discovery revealed the most mysterious force in the universe. Speaker, dark energy is this. Speaker, mysterious force that makes up nearly 70% of the universe. Speaker, playing the role of anti-gravity. Speaker, roughly pulling space-time faster and faster. 90 billion years later, when this last bit of light finally passes over Earth, the universe will reveal its harshest side to future intelligent life, show its most cruel aspect. Observers in that era of the Milky Way, even with the most advanced telescopes, they would be unable to detect any exoplanets. They would not see the red ants, nor would they discover Hubble's law. Worse still, science and history would both be altered. Scientists in that era, even if they were the smartest and most rigorous through all the evidence they could observe, they would only arrive at a logical, yet entirely wrong conclusion. The universe contains only our Milky Way and Andromeda galaxy. Evidence of the Big Bang would be completely erased by the expansion itself. The entire structure of cosmology we know today, about the origin of the universe, the grand story of its age and expansion, would become unverifiable, even unproposable.